Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing a quick 5-minute yoga practice aimed at reducing anxiety and bringing a sense of inner peace. Let's dive in and find our calm, shall we? First, let's start in a comfortable seated position. Legs crossed, hands resting on your knees. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose. And exhale through your mouth. Repeat this a few times, allowing your body to relax with each breath. Feel the tension melting away. Now let's transition into child's pose. Kneel on the mat, bring your big toes together and sit back on your heels. Extend your arms forward and rest your forehead on the mat. This pose is incredibly grounding, helping to soothe the mind and body. Breathe deeply here for a few moments. Next, move into cat-cow pose to release tension in the spine. Come onto all fours, wrists under shoulders and knees under hips. Inhale, arch your back and look up. This is cow pose. Exhale, round your spine like a cat stretching. This is cat pose. Flow between these two poses with your breath, feeling each vertebrae move individually. Now let's find our way to downward facing dog. Tuck your toes under, lift your hips up and back, forming an inverted V shape. Press your hands firmly into the mat and try to keep your heels gently reaching for the ground. This pose is great for relieving stress and rejuvenating the entire body. Hold here for a few breaths. From downward dog, step your right foot forward into a low lunge. Lower your left knee to the mat and lift your arms overhead. This gentle stretch opens the hips and releases tension stored in this area. Take a few deep breaths here, then switch sides. Finally, let's end in Savasana, or corpse pose. Lie flat on your back, legs straight and arms relaxed by your sides. Close your eyes and take deep breaths, letting go of all the stress and anxiety. Feel the calmness wash over you. Take your time coming out of this pose. And when you're ready, slowly sit up. Remember, finding inner peace is a journey, and this practice is here to support you every step of the way. Thank you for joining me today. Take care and namaste. Subtitle: Calmness and serenity are just a breath away.